Hello, South County homeowners. Are you thinking about selling your home but worried about the cost and hassle of repairs? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the benefits of selling your home off market with a real estate agent. Let me share a heartwarming story. Recently, I had the privilege of helping an elderly woman who lived alone in a home that needed many repairs and updates. She was overwhelmed by the thought of extensive repairs and cleaning out decades of accumulated belongings. I found her an all-cash buyer who offered a flexible closing schedule. This allowed her to leave behind what she didn't want and only take those memories she cherished. It was a smooth, stress-free sale that met all her needs. Now, let's address some common questions about selling off-market. Number one, what is an off-market sale? It's when you sell your home privately without listing it on the open market. Number two, why consider this option? It's ideal if you prefer privacy, need a quick sale, or your home requires significant repairs. Number three, how you find buyers. This is where an experienced agent comes in. We have a network of ready buyers looking for properties just like yours. If you're considering selling your home and want a personalized approach, contact me. Let's make your sale as straightforward and successful as the one I just shared. For more tips on selling real estate and your home, subscribe to my channel. Don't hesitate to reach out to me with your questions. I'm DeVonna Meyer with eXp Realty, and this is where real estate meets reality, and I'll see you next time.